Well, hello everybody and welcome back. Today I have a beautiful new DIY that you can recreate. It's simple, affordable, and easy to make. So if you're interested in seeing what I've created today, just keep on watching. I'll be starting off with these skewers from Dollar Tree and I'm just going to cut them in half. Next, I'll be painting them with some black craft paint using the hand painting method that I've shown you before. I'm going to be using this diamond base filler from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to lay out my painted skewers and place the diamond base filler in the middle. Right here you see me going in with hot glue and securing them into place. Now I'll be using these popsicle sticks from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be using that same hand painting method that I used previously. These silver bling diamond base filler are from Amazon, and I'm just going to use them to hot glue to the popsicle sticks. I'm using this round piece of floor foam, and I'm just going to use my ruler here to get some measurements so that I can cut it in half. Now I'm just going to paint the floor foam with this gray craft paint. I'll be using this bling ribbon from Amazon. And now it's time to assemble everything. I'm going to be adding some fairy lights here, and for the back I'm just going to use a leftover piece of foam board. And so here's what it looks like, guys. I really do love this one. I'm thinking I'm going to make another one. This would look so cute as a set. So what do you guys think? Alright guys, that's it. That's all that I have for you today. A really simple DIY that you can recreate. I hope you've enjoyed this little DIY. If you have, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, as well as hitting the notification bell and giving this video a huge thumbs up. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!